What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about NIO like we always do, and as always before we get into NIO we're going to get into the overall market because some interesting things happened today with NIO and Tesla and the overall market. So I definitely want to get into that for sure. Now before I get into the video, I like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and let's get right into this video. So let's just first talk about the overall market. Today was a very inside day. When I say inside day, I mean consolidation. And I told people in my Discord, I was like, guys, tomorrow may be a possible breakout in the market. We may see it move to the upside. The reason why I say that, guys, is for the entire day, so yesterday we got rejected here, came back down, got bought right back up, right? And then for the entire day, we just stayed right underneath this resistance. Okay, this is where you use your charting skills and you're able to see this story. This I've talked about, watching the story, see what the chart is telling you, and let's do this together, guys. So we're going to point out the differences and why I think possibly we are going to break up to the upside. So right here, notice when we push up to here, instant rejection, instant sellers. We saw this huge red candle, right? Okay, that meant that there's 100 sellers there, for instance. Okay, that's not the exact answer, but that's just for our example. Now look what is happening. We're pushing up to that resistance and we're not seeing that huge rejection. And even more telltale sign of, I think we're breaking out is, look over here, guys. Over here, we pushed up before and we saw these aggressive candles. Over here, we dropped down. That's where we saw all the excitement sellers were here. Now, not hardly even a tenth of them are still here. We had this huge drop down on the market, and then now we're at the same spot, same exact spot, just a couple weeks ahead, and we're not seeing that same selling activity. That lets you know the sellers are not there, and it's only a matter of time before they give up and buyers start pushing price up. So guys, that's why I think if the market is going to break out, it's going to be tomorrow. But of course, there's always the possibility we sell off. So if we get underneath this support right here, then this breakout is invalidated. The breakout is most likely not going to happen unless we get dip in the morning and then get bought right back up. That's a possibility as well. But if we stay underneath this support right here, we're probably not breaking out. So definitely watch tonight. Definitely watch into to tomorrow. If we're above this support and still, consolidating, the chances of us breaking out are very high. Said this multiple times before. It was way back here. When the market consolidates like this, it doesn't do it often, but when it does, it's normally gearing up for a move up. Right here, same scenario over here, guys. If you can see this, I'm in the top left. Right in here, we consolidated and then geared up for the move up. So the market doesn't do this often, but when it does, pay attention to it, and that's why I think we are really gearing up for a move tomorrow. With regards to NIO, what an amazing day, guys. Last time I made a NIO video, I literally said, hey, we got it back above 35.64. Great, needs to hold. If we hold, that's a great sign. And basically that next day we stayed above it. Market conditions were crappy yesterday, so we did sell off quite a lot. We were up pretty high in the morning, so I do apologize for not coming out with a video. Got busy, but either way, we basically returned back to that high and also got past it. So just an amazing day on NIO. We were up almost 5% on NIO, just with market being, and today just consolidation, it was up nicely. So this is what you want to see. This is a good step, guys. I'm very excited, if you can't tell. I'm very happy that NIO is doing this, finally getting back into some type of hope. We still have a lot of ways, but with regards to what price point I'm watching next, it's 39.39. Getting back above that is an extremely bullish scenario. Right now, we're taking baby steps. We got back above 35.64, which was what I was looking at. Previous support over here twice. We dropped down underneath it for a while now, but we got right back above it. So that's exactly what I was looking for. So I'm very happy, guys, that we did stay above it and that we actually confirmed it by having that huge push up today. So NIO is looking amazing. I think we maybe either pull over tomorrow, depending on the market conditions. The NIO may break out with the market, but it broke out even without the market, and that's why I want to bring up Tesla, because guess what? I've been saying this for weeks now. Watch Tesla. That's the better gauge to see what NIO is going to do for the day, and you can see Tesla just had an amazing day as well. I mean, we just broke out, continued from Monday's session, just continued to push up. So Tesla, I was very disappointed that I didn't get into it. Either way, though, amazing. Tesla looks amazing still. So watch Tesla going into tomorrow's session and really gauge on what NIO is going to do. But I do think, guys, that NIO is looking strong. We don't really have any other speed bumps until we get to that 39 area. So we have a lot to happen in between then. We could pull back, of course, but as long as we stay in between this range, this is like the safe consolidation period for NIO. It's when we break below 35.64 is when we do start seeing some trouble. So definitely don't want to break that again. I really don't even want to retest that again because that would just erase all of the gains that we made today. So ideally we just pull over kind of like we did right here. So we had the nice push up, pulled over, and pushed up again. So that's what you want to see tomorrow, or even just a push up tomorrow. You want to see a pullover or push up, not really a sell off, kind of like what we did as I mentioned here. So very excited with the market tomorrow, guys. I think something is brewing. I do think we may have a breakout tomorrow. So please pay close attention to the market tomorrow, especially the indexes. And if you're watching NIO, following NIO, pay attention to Tesla. Either way, hopefully you do have a great night, and let's hope we are green tomorrow. And I will see you guys in the next video.